done then trade. Here. When you go get a trade. Yeah, one no. Them are done nowadays, some of them are bust on the ass. So go and run back at that. Don't go run back at arts and get blood clot certification. Some big batty boy down out there go riding like bicycle. Big up yourself and Portmore, man. That's it. A labor right come and change your Portmore, brother. Labor right. Every little good thing we are going to Portmore now. A labor right to do it, bro. You hear me telling you? Jamaica Labour Party can make Portmore look like the city where it for be. You hear me telling you? PNP party make Portmore burn down Portmore to nothing, brother. I mean, I know how that's why I'm telling you, it's the PNP. It's the PNP them. PNP them are just one set of people we have. We have this non-skull worthless thing each up in them. Because look on good Portmore. Where so much bright, educated, good people come from. Still a vote for PNP when they insist they not get no representation. You see it? PNP, you see for your PNP, you know, brother, you just live with anything and take anything, you know. You know, and that's why some of them PNP girls, when you see them, you wonder if they got World War 5,000 times. Because I want to chop and cut them in them bum buckler face and them bust up like road. Yo, some of them girls have PNP girls, I mean, have to wonder if a joke upon them. When you see them foot back, it come like them foot back not get no water for about 10 years, amount of crap day night. It come like some land where they in a jolt. You don't know. We sure say enough of them get no ambition, bro, so we can't change them. Can't change enough of PNP people, them, bro. They not no ambition, bro. Me I tell you, they not no ambition. When I see some of my PNP girls, them, I'm going to turn and I see some of them. Me I say, yo, I wish war them girls fight them no cat. So we can't look for no better from them. We can't look for some of them. I put more people them me look for better from. People them who Portmore, I know. Most of the PNP control a Portmore still, so look at Garrison. Anyway, Garrison in there. Wicked still. You know say wicked still? Wicked cause you see PNP party try to keep the people them in a garrison situation. You know what it is? Because you see, if the people in mind come out of the garrison, they are not going to be PNP no more. You know, just remember me telling you that. I don't like a foolish me I telling you. Yeah, I telling you. Yeah, man, PNP girl them full of chop, brother. And then football come like in a 10-month drought. Boom, buck like come like summer ever depend for them football. No rain fall around there, so brother. You have to wonder, say, yo, where them a girl get them crap there from. I'm going to rain now fall for 1 year so much. This is much crack in our earth, brother. You know? And they feel like them might hide this thing. You see them downtown. Some of them a scare face of them mama and them poopa where they full of scare. Worthless people, them, bro. Worthless and they still. How come? How do it? Because I say they not look for no better, bro. It's not. Dig up yourself in one voice, morning. It's representation. Let me tell you, some people we can't. It's a certain set of people we not ever see them vote for Labour right. Let me tell you, because guess why? The Labour right people them. Labour right people them are some little cocky people. I can't tell you this. I mean I say this, yo, you know some talk to get a girl. You used to talk to one girl. Janice, big up yourself, Janice. You used to talk to one girl named Janice that come from outer Miss Babs, outer Babsy place this so. You see me? Boom, buckles and I'm going to Janice then look over. I said, Jesus Christ. I saw ghetto girl house pretty. You know? And I can't tell any man this. Going on one of them little Labour right. Yo. Me have some cousins live over Tivoli. So I'm go over a girl house. I said, Jesus Christ, yo, no space. Not up on the wall with flowers. You know them pretty flowers that we go up on the wall. You know I'm going to Labour right. Garrison to them and going to Labour right Garrison girl their house. I want to see house clean. That house look good. Yo, me no want to go near them dirty stink. Them PNP girl if I go up on them pussy, me not mind, you know. Me will go and mine blood clot labor right silver hole. For diamond pussy them girl they have who live over them blood clot, abandoned blood clot shipwreck building there. Me no want them pussy there. Matter of fact, me no want them girl who live around a jungle, cause them girl nah use blood them. Girl nah use good sitting and wipe up themselves. All them when they check out them jars, they must smell like Jesus Christ. Cause woman, yo, all them the girl when have good personal hygiene. Then girl run of them place they wanna take care of themselves good. Eh? You have some dirty thinking one company Batman program when you man. You have some of them company dirty stinking program with one big batty boy wanna name Mark, bro. Love can cuss Andrew Owness and cuss blood clot Miss Oldness. Boy Mark, yo, you, for your born in here can know them a bully, you know. You know? For your born, you come like me from me see you. No, so you never grow with no mother pussy hole. You grow in a boy's home. You know? Because your hungry boy will grow in a boy's home, 8 woman, so. You me tell you, hungry boy, no more see batty boy near Mark. One will look like me say a boy's home him growing up. From him a 6-year-old him a draw for him blood clot balls. You know? The way him look and the way him go on. Leave woman alone. Boy. Miss Oldness not do nothing. Miss Vaz not do nothing. Miss Juliet not do nothing. Everyone I labor, me never see this boy say nothing about no man. Woman, big pussy PNP batty boy them. Woman do uno. I know woman no come out. Why wanna eat woman so? It come like from the man them a PNP woman is a blood clot threat to them. Boy, you can't eat woman. You can't bad mind woman for them pussy and them breast. God make no man, batty man, low woman them alone. Cause must we wanna eat one for hate woman. One a must bad man and a bad man, a bum buckler woman them through them bad with pussy and breast. And only did want it. And that's how they hate woman them. Big batty boy Mark, you want some all blood clot bar, some bar insect, some bar cockroach to bum buckler they over there all the while I chat up them mouth. How are you name? Hold on, Sunshine, may I ask you a question? You are PNP or labor right? Yet, woman, you mad no bumbo clap boy. You mad? Me a labor right, you know? Try and know that. Yeah, me a labor right. You better try and know that. So when you come talk about 8 woman, I must your father a PNP. Your brother them a PNP, you know. Member say, you know. A land labor right party a land, you know. Bumbo clap. Members say Labour Right Party we stand up on land, you know. Members say PNP Party are swimming in water, you know. Members say be a blood clot mud fish, you know. Anywhere fish them come from, you know, bring them come up in a phone thing, you know, them swim up on an aquarium or swim up on a canal, you know. Ice sprat. You want to go on and a shark golden. Blood clot Satan Campbell. One party a Batman to Bumbuckler. You can't tell me not your ear. That's why I don't have them, I don't hold them talk, they would do no. Because I just know phone thing. I know phone thing. Only is an organization who believe in a batty blood clotism. I'm telling you, it's an organization when you love bumbuckler woman. It's an organization where you come from a leader like PJ Party so we can condom, got blood clot physical give man go say fuck on one another. Uno is an organization of blood clot roll up bus condom was spit out and no good. Uno is an organization of shit. So nobody come bring them things that to labor right, bro. Don't bring, brother, I'm telling you. I grew up in one family where mad no bumbuckler. I grew up with one grandmother and grandfather were mad. Yeah, me telling you, boy, from me a 12-year-old, me can't bring girl go me on. I live with woman before, I live with my mother. I live with my baby mother from me a 16 blood clot year old. 16. You wanna know what it feel like, boy? We are me used to woman. The most problem getting a girl pit no cuss and war and fight for blood clot. Me stink like germs. I feel like we are like uno, boy. Eh? My cocky push out pitney. Me and I like uno in a boy. So listen. Me a labor right. You hear me tell you now, work for me show you something. See I saw me there, I'll show you something. All of them are work, yeah, I do them. Everything where you see I saw. So all of them are sitting here. I do that design. That design I want to see. That's on my profile. If you don't feel like I like me, I tell you. That's on my TikTok profile. You can see it from when I start. I do all of that design with that bamboo sitting here. All of that design where you see. I do it. I do all of that design where you see with that bamboo sitting here growing. Straight round. And I paint all of that place there. All of that place here. So when I feel like, yo, pussy, me and a PNP, bro. Me have too much chilling in my head. Me not look for a boy and boy can't look for me. Cause people girl people look for me all the way. Cause one thing they know me have money. Yeah. People girl people love me a fuck. Cause they know say yo me full of ambition and fuck and me have enough cow. I'm live now a big old house me alone. Me have everything when me want pussy and me do 2-3 job. You know PNP? Yeah, me ambition are your fuck. Yo, me no floppy skin. You hear that? Me never come out a bumbo clot. I'm for saying no, hold down, walk list. Bumbo clot, Batmanism mentality. Me come out a labor right mentality, my blood clot grandfather. Labor before you, labor for anything where you want. You know what my granny tell me say? My granny tell me say, no parents, not to feed no lazy picnic cause God no like them. God a go take with them blessings. And some of them girls nowadays, Father God a go take on a good hole from you and go to some bad hole. Because some of people, some of the girl picnic, prefer go out the road, go work on a good pussy where God go no. Some of you work all on a throat till on a throat bust. Figure feed some dirty, stinking, lazy boy will lay down in a house, no one do nothing. Me tell you no girl, oh no, big up to all of my laborate women them who have sense. You hear me tell you no? Big up to all of the laborate women them who have sense, bro. You hear me tell you no, cause watch out. Don't get up and make no boy no want come use, you know. Don't live like them worthless bumbuckler PNP girl where they in the worthless PNP constituency them. You go up on road, go sell them pussy, sell themselves, do all type of shit for your mind, the dirty stinking worthless boy them where they have laid down in a bed. You hear me tell you no? No lazy pussy want no to eat. The Bible tell us by sweat of your brow you shall eat your bread. Bible tell us a young man a call on you because you are young and fucking strong. You no go get a trade. The Bible tell you say nobody no for feed no lazy motherfucker for dead for hungry. The Bible tell you say and those set of people supposed to dead for hungry. So sure say PNP set a pussy all them who don't like work, who don't believe in a trade, believe in a handout them for dead for blood clot hungry. Then I should have one country where we come like Korea and then country them we put lazy people to one side. Yeah, them are going and I'm about the rain it kinda, you know. Rain give me some terrible fight, but me have a portion still. Me have about 2,000, me have about 2,003 me have a come. Cause the rain didn't mash up a portion of it, so me have about 2,000. And them just start but them reach about the height you know. You see me so? I know say them say we are going to some we're supposed to get some rain by tomorrow. But me are somewhere paint. So over there me are going now, but me not see the people them come out me. So me I go over there go finish the painting. And then I go so boom and more 30 the sorrel them and the pumpkin them cause I have some pumpkin I come nice boom the pumpkin them catch good and I come nice so. I throw some 30 upon them and thing and run some water upon them for the meanwhile. But you know what God do? Is it oh they say nothing now go on, eh? Oh they say nothing now go on. More. Tell them when I start though. When I start cause through all the day now. When I reach them time, me have all 2-3 hours of paint a day. Believe me to God. Ambition I hit man. That's why I say big up your do John man cause yo. You say you are info brother. I just say tell you this brother. You an info bro. You just knowing you cause me a youth. Me look for people who for be role model for me, you know. You see me? So I stay and I youth, I just sit down and I say, yo, boom, but you know me love. You see, info I want youth, I'm rate, brother, I'm man have a drive, brother. A youth, they are rich, A youth, they are rich. Big up yourself, good man. Proud of one man, proud of young girl like you and kiss them, man. You see me? Uno a woman were born for no boy and feel like saying no. No boy can't walk on uno, no boy can't go to no chat in no car, no ambitious young woman and yo woman like uno love and respect uno, you know. You see do John them when I see we I see them dog the stay some woman at them thing I say Father God. Them man they are role model. Him for them a role model. Chuck them a role model. Andrew Owen is a role model. You see me? Mr. Vast them a role model. And them the people that will look up to for be role model. People who independent and I show the youth them say, yo, you can work and achieve it, bro. You see me? Me and them type of youth there. Yo, me not look up to you dog them who me see just rich, sir. Alright, my friend, big up on yourself when I do nothing I'm rate, you know. Just spend no money wise and buy no gun put in a place. That's some of the youth them, you know. Me not bad mouth them. I me not bad mind them. You see me? Them I do them thing. Charge me a beg you know, now make money, invest in no money, buy some cow, build up some local business. That's how me talk to you with them. Don't buy no gun, brother. Me a beg you not buy no gun and mash up the community. That's how me deal with them, you know. Me not tell them say, yo, me suck yourself, boy. Me not business well. You listen. Me a say this to you, me not call the name. Sunshine. You see if your mama they are foreign and your mama feel like say she love Ponzi scheme or anybody feel and she go get tricked in a Ponzi scheme. Yo, this is my view. This is a Labourite view. This is a sunny view, my view. Me a talk off of my point of view. So kuno mama if you no feel like you no want use against me party, me a talk about what me think. You them a make them money, I feel them business that. Yeah. Love you them. Only thing you no buy no gun. Use the money and build up on yourself. Send up on your brother and your sister and go to college. Build up some house, build up some business. Love you them. You hear me telling you? So what about that? So what about that? As long as I don't stick them and stick up my mama and shoot him. As long as they not come and me I can tear down my cow pen and tear down my gold pen. Do what I do for make money use, just stop buy gun. You hear me telling you? Build up on the community. Fix up on yourself. Fix up on your family. Just stop buy gun. Gun and mash up my bum buckler country. You hear me telling you? That's our problem. But do what I do. Big up on yourself. Hey, more love and respect here. Big up on yourself and love every time. Yeah, man. Yeah, woman over there. I me over there wait pan. No, you come just come from okay or that.